So why does starting small help build your Bay Area wealth? Most Bay Area homebuyers believe they need to wait until they can afford their perfect dream home or have a massive down payment saved. Well, this mindset keeps them stuck paying rent while missing out on building real estate wealth. So here's the problem. The reality is that waiting to enter the Bay Area market is going to cost potential homeowners thousands in lost equity. With starter condos at $500,000, townhomes at $900,000, and single-family homes starting at around 1.2, trying to save up more money often leaves buyers perpetually behind as prices continue to rise. So here's the solution approach that has worked for many of my buyers. And this is why smart buyers start with a condo or a townhome. I've never had a buyer tell me, Thomas, I love paying HOA. I want to pay HOA. But that's the reality. The key to building long-term real estate wealth is to get into the market as soon as possible, even if it's starting with a condo or a townhome. So imagine understanding how to enter the market with less than 20% down, learning to build equity through strategic property selection, and discovering how to leverage your first property into future upgrades. In that way, you can eventually get to your dream home, mastering the art of competing effectively in your price tier, and then appreciation insights. So here's how to apply this wealth building approach in today's market. Focus on monthly payments and down payment rather than the total purchase price, because you're most likely never going to pay that price. You're never going to live in the home for 30 years. Start with condos or townhomes to build up equity faster than saving cash. In the Bay Area, appreciation always beats saving. And then plan to stay in your property for the first 5 to 7 years to maximize the appreciation. Use built equity to upgrade to larger properties over time. So if you're tired of waiting on the sidelines while others build wealth through Bay Area real estate, don't wait. Schedule your free consultation to discover how you can get started with less money down than you might think. Click the button below and let's talk.